Details on Saturn rings and how they are made.
Our solar system's most visually appealing and iconic planet is Saturn.
Scientists have debunked 4 theories attempting to explain Saturn's iconic rings. The old rings team postulates that an icy object that traveled too close to Saturn in its early history shattered into shards due to the planet's gravity.
2 recent theories suggest that Saturn destroyed one of its own moons, or that Titan, Saturn's megamoon, was created by the rings being pushed away from the planet. The rings are 400,000 kilometers wide, and some particles are too small to be seen with the naked eye.
2 points of view exist in the scientific community regarding when and how they formed. Data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft suggests that the rings are too young to be billions of years old, and that the glow of the rings is diminished by contamination from dark dust in the outer solar system.
A recent MIT study suggests that the destruction of an ancient moon may have been the cause of Saturn's distinctive rings. For details, follow the link in description.